During its development, APEC member economies, including Vietnam, have been facing numerous challenges, especially climate change. According to United Nations World Tourism Organization, tourism contributes to global warming and, at the same time, is a victim of climate change. Vietnam is among the top 5 countries most affected by climate change. In Vietnam, coastal erosion, salt intrusion, and other extreme weather events have badly damaged relic sites and heritages, causing dramatic impacts on tourism activities.
Sea tourism is hazardous by climate change and sea level rise, while sea tourism contributes some 70% of Vietnam's tourism revenue and 60% of tourist arrivals.
The APEC High-Level Policy Dialogue on Sustainable Tourism held recently in Quảng Ninh Province adopted a high-level declaration on sustainable tourism development, which includes recommendations and specific directions for sustainable tourism development in the APEC region. During the dialogue, representatives from APEC economies and tourism organizations have exchanged experiences to develop tourism in the context of climate change.
For example, to anticipate the climate change, we try to adopt the low carbon policy, similar with some other countries, to preserve more of our energy. Secondly, related with the preservation for certain flora and certain fauna, animals. We would like to encourage more to the ecotourism related with the preservation of this flora and fauna.
In order to mitigate the adverse impacts of climate change, experts said it's necessary to improve communications to raise awareness of environment protection and sustainable tourism development among people and enterprises.
Tourism enterprises exploiting marine resources need to cooperate with local government to better adapt to climate change. Local authorities should give guidance to enterprises so that they do not affect the environment and natural landscapes.
Very important is, first of all, to have not just an economic view on the tourism development, but to include the environmental and social cultural dimension and to break that down. Important is to see them in the context, because sustainability in the end is a context-sensitive development. What water scarcity means in one place, waste management means in one place is different to what it means in another place. So context sensitivity is very important.
Issues concerning sustainable tourism development within the APEC region are expected to be on the table at the APEC Economic Leaders Week, which will take place in the central coastal city of Da Nang from November 6th to 11th.